This is competition. Winner gets how much? 2,000 best, and I'm the judge.
Hey, Gicini, tú eres el que controla las calles.
No, yo no soy César.
Toda la gente viene y me habla y me dice, Gicini es el que tiene las calles. Eres el mejor soldado.
El mejor soldado lo tienes a tu lado. Edgar.
Sí es buen soldado, pero él solamente sabe contar dinero. Saúl es bueno contando historias.
Padre, Gicini se está robando dinero.
Mientras yo me la pasaba en las calles, Saulini cocinaba espagueti. Él hacía el risotto. Bueno, te entiendo. Tienes toda la razón. Pero eso es lo que te va a hacer más fuerte, Gicini.
Pero padrino, no tenemos más dinero. Necesitamos que Gicini dé de baja al comandante. Sabemos que le gusta el risotto, sabemos el espagueti, pero no tenemos el dinero.
Tú piensas tú eres una modelo, pero todo tu tiempo esperando en el espejo. Tú necesitas más tiempo con la familia.
¿Qué? ¿El Cesarini?
No, I'm just talking to you.
Ay, no.
Hands down, Cesarini. Tú eres el campeón. Número 2.
Gicini. Gicini.
Ya sabe que estamos aquí con el padrino.
Gicini.
Very well done, everyone. Very good. So we're headed over. The team has already been there. They've been setting up. The team is kicking ass. Very, very, very happy to see them do so well. They're taking so much off my plate. I mean, currently right now we have just me alone. I have like 70 million in listings. Needless to say, I need a little bit taken off my plate. You gotta be going on this shit. You know, I see people that put their listings on, line and they hope and pray. And it's like, no, we don't do that. We move, we shake, we pivot, we adjust, and we sell. And we do whatever the fuck it takes to get that sell done. So as you guys can see here, we have the big 2-car garage here. A lot of the outdoor stuff is still here in the garage, but we have multiple fire pits. We got a golf cart, we got a car, lots of storage. Looks like the guys are working very hard. Not sure who this is, but he does not look to be working very hard at all. Let's see if the casita's open. Casita is open. And look at this, look how gorgeous this is. And so the placement of this property is one of the best. Why? You don't have a wall behind you. You have a beautiful park. Every single room here has its own ensuite, which of course is gorgeous. I mean, we're talking full ensuite. His and hers. This is the casita. And so this is fully turnkey here too. Everything that you see is included. Like as soon as you walk in the gate, look what you see here. Blue line ocean view, a little water feature here. There's garden here. We're gonna see if the guys have been doing anything whatsoever. Now, what is the best time of the day?
Afternoon, because of
What time? What time?
4 p.m.
5, 6.
Correct. 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 Very close. Correct. That's right. 5, 6 o'clock is the best knocking time, or early morning. But 5, 6 is the best because in the morning people are busy. That's because everybody's freaking home. Did you? Oh, we got some guests. Let's go. Let's put in work. Don't swarm them. Mr. Cub Scout. The leader of the Cub Scouts. You're an Eagle Scout. You know what an Eagle Scout is? It's a Cub Scout who stayed in way too long. And so now he's an adult Cub Scout. He can tie some knots, shoot a bow and arrow. What do you think, Jeezy? You like his badge? Did you see the video where it says you look like a gay Cub Scout? And then it shows this little gay. So right here from the bed, look at the view here. Sand ocean view. And so they did the double doors here, which was an add-on as well. They're locking me out. These are awesome. These are Kevlar. What does that mean? It means somebody can shoot bullets at your house and you can laugh. You can sit here and just, that's all you got? No, just kidding. Bullets will go through that. Knives, however, will not. Maybe. You wanna test it? So this little upgrade that they did here with all 5 hurricane shutters, which I've never in my life seen before actually. Small upgrade of like, let's say $75,000, no big deal. Didn't raise the price, just left it as it is. 5 stars for the day. 0, 0, Caesar's hiding, 0. Here's the thing. My team, I love them very much. To the average human, they look like scary individuals. They could be Sinaloa Mafia. They could be the Sopranos, Italian Mafia. So we're gonna have a little competition here. Caesar obviously is the mob boss. I believe Saul is like the son. Edgar is obviously the accountant. This is obviously the muscle, the hitman. I'm gonna start with the son. I want to know your best Italian mobster.
No mames.
Una preguntita. Nos reportaron unos propietarios que estaban entregando unos flyers.
Los flyers.
Los extrañaba. Que están entregando unos flyers. Entonces, nada más para que sepan que pues no está permitido estar entregando propaganda en general en la casa. Entonces, para que porfa lo eviten. ¿Sale?
Sí, está bien.
Y ahorita si tienen oportunidad como de ir y retirarlos, estaría genial. Porque si los retiramos nosotros, la realidad es que los vamos a tirar a la basura, entonces seguramente ustedes los pueden reutilizar.
Okay.
¿Sí?
Sí, está bien, sin tema. Gracias por avisar.
Para no. My star child here just got reprimanded for leaving flyers on houses, and I had to almost fire him. Obviously not. Just trying to make the girl feel bad. Okay. This is competition. Winner gets how much? $2,000.
But
the best,
okay.
I'm the judge.